Hello everyone. Today in this video, I will tell you how to find out median of discrete data. These are the main points which I will discuss in this video: formula and steps for finding the median of discrete data, example based on it, exercise with answer based on the median of discrete data. Let's start. Steps for finding median of discrete data. These are the following steps, and with the help of the example, I will explain all these steps. This is the example. Marks out of 10 of a particular group is given and number of students are given to us. 5 marks 2 students, 8 marks 2 students, 10 marks 1 student, 3 marks 1 student, and 6 marks 5 students. What is the first step? Arrange the given values in the ascending order. We will check whether they are in ascending order or not. We can see they are not. First of all, we will arrange them in ascending order. That is 3 marks, 1 student, then 5, 5 marks, 2 students, then 6 marks, 5 students, then 8 marks, 2 students, then 10 marks, 1 student. We have arranged it in ascending order: 3, 5, 6, 8, 10. A number of students. Now, second step, find the number of observations in the given set, and it is denoted by n. Add them. N equals 11. Now, third step is find out the cumulative frequency, which is denoted by C. Cumulative frequency, how to find out? 1 as it is. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 5 is 8. 8 plus 2 is 10. 10 plus 1 is 11. What is the next step? Now we will see this value n, number of observation. If n is odd, here you can see n is odd. N is 11, which is odd. So median would be n plus 1 upon 2th term. That is 6th term. Now what we will see? We will see its value in the cumulative frequency column. Now look at the cumulative frequency and find the total, which is either equal to 6 observation or next higher to that. We can see 6 will come under this line. Corresponding to this, approach to go to xi column, xi value. And we can see median is 6 over here. So if number of observations are odd, we will find out the value of n plus 1 upon 2th term. And here we can see n is 11, that is 6th term. And we will see the sixth term in the cumulative frequency column. And here we can see median is 6. But if number of observations are even, what will be the case? I have taken another example, and in which I have already arranged in ascending order, and total is 14. Now, if n is even, then median would be mean of n upon 2th observation and n upon 2 plus 1th observation. That is 14 upon 2 and 14 upon 2 plus 1th observation upon 2. That is 7th plus 8th observation upon 2. And again from cumulative frequency column, we will see 7th and 8th term. 7th and 8th term, both term will come in this row. And corresponding to this, we can see The entry of xi will be 6 plus 6 upon 2, that is 6. The median is 6. Let's take one more example. Calculate the median of the following data. This is xi and this is fi. What I will do? First of all, we will arrange them in ascending order, xi and fi. And then we will make the cumulative frequency, that is C. xi, we can see 5. We will arrange in ascending order, 10. Then we have 15. Corresponding frequency is 20. Then we have 25, 30. Then we have 35, that is 50. Then 45, that is 40. Then we have 55, that is 30. First of all, we will find out its sum and number of observation. We can see n is summation fi, their sum. Find out their sum. We will find out its value is 180. And what is n? N is 180, that is even. The median would be average of 90th and 91st term. First find out cumulative frequency. 10, 30, 60, 110, 150, 180. Now 90th term, you can see 90th term will come in this corresponding value in xi column. So median 90th and 91st term both will be 35. That is 35 plus 35 and their average, that is 2. That is median is 35. This is the exercise based on the median of discrete data, and these are the answers of these 3 questions. You can take the screenshot and you can try.